goers. This is our online bar session for you to follow along at home. All you're going to need for the workout is a chair. So my chair here is about hip height, a little bit lower. So you want it about this height ideally. If you've only got a taller chair, it doesn't matter. Just hold on to the sides of the chair as opposed to the top so you can keep those shoulders relaxed. If you have got a slightly smaller chair, that's fantastic, because some of the work we're going to try and do today, we're going to lean over our chair. So I want you to have a nice squashy top of that chair. If you haven't, pop something on the top just to keep it safe. Otherwise, before we start the main body of the workout, I just want you to warm your legs up before you press play with the music as we start. So just starting in a nice first position, give yourself 5 or 10 minutes for this, bringing the weight into the centre backs of the feet, so you're really activating your glutes, pulling your tummy in strong, so your belly button back to spine, shoulders are down, pull up those legs, and pulling from the crown of the head, chin level with the floor. And I just want you to take some little pliés to start. You can bring that into full plié when those legs get a bit warmer, and do the same to second. So we've got a wider second, same thing again. Little wafty arm if you fancy it, little pliés, and then all the way down into full plié. Give me a few squats while you're there, so making sure your weight's back through the heels, pulling up nice and tall, taking it down, coming up, down, coming up, and just warm those feet up, a few little rises for me in parallel position, just so we know those legs are warm before we get started. We've only got about 20 minutes, 15 minutes to do that one. Okay, let's go. Let's find this music and we'll kick off. Hold it here. Now you pulse, 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 pulse. Good. Now we're getting that quad working. Oh yes we are. And through here. Everything's in. Pull that tummy tight. Breathe. Shoulders down if you need to. Bring it back. Bring that chair towards you. Keep that touch light. Try not to grip it. Lift that heel up and down. Ooh, now's the tickle. This is our favourite part. Keep it going. If that's too strong, you don't have to lift that heel. We've got 8 more. It's a generator, so it could be here a while. 4 more, I promise. Ready? Hold it up. And 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Ooh, that was nice. Stretch it out for me. So push that chair away. Reach those arms ahead. Try and maintain a nice flat back. Hello there. Pull up those legs. Stretching through. Hold it, breathe. Good. Take it down again. And then breathe back. Lovely. Quick little stretch those quads. Heel to bum for me. Bring those legs together. Swap it over. So now's your time to pause if you need to. Take a longer stretch. Otherwise we're coming straight back in. Time's flying. Let's go. Pulse it. Good. Hold it there. For 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now we're going to transfer our weight forward. Pull it up on our supporting leg. Shoulders down. And we're going to bring our arms down towards our chair. So you can hold the sides to lift and lower or push the chair away. Because what I love is a nice flat back. So for me, I'm bringing my chair in and I'm leaning right over it. Can you see me? Let's bring it forward. Yes. Up and down. Now you're going to feel that in your supporting leg. My right leg is my supporting leg. My left leg is working. Pull up through that thigh. Try and keep those hips square. And again, lift and lower. Nice long leg. Really think about elevating that leg far away from you. Point that toe. Last one, we're going to hold it up and pulse. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You got this. 7, 8. Keep it going. 8, 7, 6, 5. Oh, that's nice. 4, 3, 2, 1. Flex. Push. Push. And trying to square those hips off. Push that heel up. Bend that leg. Sole of the foot towards the floor. Keep it going. 8 more. 8, 7, 6, 5. Oh, I've got to stay with time and music. 4, 3, 2, 1. Lengthen it out and bring it in. Now you should feel that down the backs of your legs. Hamstrings working. Flex that foot. Keep it strong. And keep breathing. Keep the tummy activated. You're nearly there. Yeah. Keep it going. I know you're feeling that on your supporting leg. It's working. The tickle's in. 3, 2, 1. Lengthen it out. Pulse. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Coming up if you can. Stay tall. Shoulders back and down. Little pulses. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Roll it. Shake those legs off. Give it that little wriggle. Now's your time to pause if you need to. Take that stretch. Bending through. And you're bringing the sole of your foot onto your thigh. Bending through. Holding it there. Nice deep breaths. Take your pause now if you need to. Otherwise, we're flowing through. Working those quads again. Feet parallel. Touching together. Bring it back. Shoulders down. Light touch on the bar. We're going up and down. We're going to work those quads. Up on your toes, demi point. Take it down and squeeze. So we're keeping our back flat and we're pushing down up. Yeah, keep breathing. Squeeze those thighs together. Let's squeeze them. Let me show you from the front. together. I've got a rear gap in my thighs, so just ignore that. Down and up if you can. Get lower. Squeeze at the top. Really push those hips and pull it. I know. You can feel it. Hold it down. Pulse. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, it's awful. 8 more. 8, 7. Can you get lower? 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Pull it up. Shake it off. Well done. Over we go. So this is the point we're leaning over our chair. Activate those tummies. Pull them in. If you need to, put something nice and squashy on your chair for me. If you can't bring yourself all the way over the chair, that's fine. I want you to stay further up or even all the way upright. Otherwise, let's bring this calm down. Up and down. So my hands, fingers are forward facing, and I'm trying to keep a flat back. I'm not rounding forward. All the way onto those toes and back. I've got very long arms, so if you can't do this, bring those hands back and through. Back and through. This is going to get into your calves. Nice and quickly. Or you can take it upright and down. Up and down. But I want you to squeeze everything at the top. Your feet are parallel, just a bit more narrow than hip width. Keep it going. Bring it forward if you're there. Let's go. Up and down. Up and down. 2 more. Up and down. Up, hold it there. Little halfway pulses. Pulse. Pulse. Oh, this is awful. Keep it going. Lovely. Nearly there. Those quads are working still, and I can feel that in my glutes as well, and my hands. Hands and glutes. Keep it going. Halfways. Yes. Breathe. For 4, 3, 2. Hold it up on those toes. Now, if you're leaning over the chair, now we're going to take a little tiny push up. Bring those hands as far away as you can. Don't tip over that chair, whatever you do. You take it down, stay on your toes, and then lower and come up. Down, toes, lower, up. If you're not leaning over that chair, I want you to stay upright. Just stay up. And then give me a little tip forward and back. Up and down. Tip forward. Try and use those arms as you tip it. And again. Good. 4 more. Down. Recover. And up. Down. Stay on those toes. And up. 2 more. Here we go. Last one. Good. Hold it there. Little pulses again. Right into those calves. Whee! What joy. 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring that weight up. Roll it down and shake it off. Lovely. Calf stretch for me. Forward facing feet. We've got our front leg bent and our back leg straight. Push that heel down. Hold it there. I want you to take just a little bit longer to take this stretch if you can. And again, swap it over. Those legs, those calves, got nice and warm. Guess what? We've got to swap it around to the other side. Oh yes, we do. Have we got time? I hope so. Are we ready? Back to those lovely wide pliés. Can you see my feet? Hopefully you can. Plie. Nice and slow. Down. And down. Good. Are we ready to go a little bit quicker? Let's go. Over and open. Over and open. Open that chest. Wide arms. Shoulders stay down. Tummy, of course, stay strong. Can you drop that knee nice and low? If you need to move those feet, making sure the knee stays in line with your heel. Double. 1, 2. Open. And again, so as you're taking that nice full plie position, bum to the floor. We don't want to squat in position. It stays nice and low to the ground. And again, hold it here. Shoulders down. If you need to bring that chair towards you a bit, keep that pulse. Good. Hold it. Ready to lift that heel up. Let's go. Up and down. Yes, now we can feel it. Tummy stays nice and activated. That was a note to myself. Let's go. We'll get lower. If you can't take that heel lift, if it's too strong, hold those little pulses. If you need to, shake it off. Take a little stretch. Come back to where you can. That was an excuse for me to shake it off. Clever. Keep it going. So we're doing that heel lift. Let's go. Up and down. This is our last one now. Hold the heel up. Hold it. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Nearly there. 2 and 1. Lovely. Stretch it back for me. Little stretch through. Nice flat back. Hold it there. Good. Now's your time to take a fuller stretch if you need it. Otherwise, we're bringing that weight forward again. I'm going to switch my chair around. Use my other leg so I don't kick my knee. So, nice flat back forward. Elbows on, or if you can, hands onto the chair. Lift and lower. Up and down. And down. Good. Wherever I go, I'm kicking something. Long leg, really think of pushing that toe away as you lift. Work that glute. Get that bum muscle squeezing hard. Keep it going. 4, 3. Your supporting leg is pulled up. Now if that's too strong, take a little bend. Otherwise, pulling up through the thigh. Try not to lock that knee out. Good. Keep it going. Breathe. Let's make these a little bit bigger. So we're going down, squeeze, down, squeeze. Get that bum muscle working. Keep breathing. We're nearly there. 8 more. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's flex it. Push up and down. So ideally, that foot should be facing the ceiling. Up and down. Good, keep it going. Nearly there. 8, 7, 6, lovely. Breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Extend and bend. Feel that hamstring working. Extend and bend. Oh! 4 more. I know you can do it. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring it down. Bring that weight up. Lovely. Give me that little shimmy that we do. So you're treading into each heel. Really working through those glutes. Those side bum muscles have really caught it. Oh, lovely. So we did calves last time. To finish off, triceps. I want you to take your chair. Let me just pause. Robin, so you can hear me. Take your chair and pop it against the wall. So I don't want you to push on that chair and for you to fly down and knock yourself in the nose. All staying safe. So making sure you've got your chair propped up against something. We're going to take a tricep push-up. As you know with our tricep push-ups, we have nice narrow hands, so it's not a wide hand position. Bring them in narrow onto the middle part of your chair, or onto the end of your chair, and you can push that into the wall or wherever you've got it propped. You can bring your heels to the lower part of the chair. So, harder option I'll show you first. We're into a nice plank position. We're taking a nice full tricep dip, and then we're extending and lowering. We do the same again, and we squeeze that glute as we come up. Onto those toes, head in line with the spine. Try not to let that spine drop by bringing the chin down to your chest, and keep your tummy working hard. Elbows are coming right into the body and back up. That's your harder option. Otherwise, come onto your knees for me. Pop something soft onto them if you need to, and take your little tricep push there, and then extend and bring it back. Tricep push, extend and bring it back. You've got your options. Let's press play, we're nearly done for this one. Hopefully I'll be back soon and I'll put you through more torture. I know you've missed it. Shoulders down. Engage those glutes. Are you ready? Breathe. Inhale and exhale. Good. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Good. Now really lengthen that leg away from you as you point that toe and squeeze that glute. The only reason that leg is lifted is because you're lengthening it and working your bum cheek. Don't forget those tummies. I know we can do 2 more after this one. Your easier option to remind you, down and press. Last time, down and press. Good. Little rest. Roll those shoulders back. Circle those wrists. We're going to do it one more time. Really lengthen those legs long. Are we ready? Let's go. Down and squeeze. Down and squeeze. We're only doing 8 here. Oh, only 8, Jenna. You can do it. I know you can. 4 more. 4. Bring those elbows in. Try and get them to skim your ribs. 2 to go. Nearly done. Breathe out as you come up. Last one. Lovely job. Stay here. We're coming onto a side plank. So, hands down, elbow onto the chair. You can keep that knee on the floor. And we're going to lift and lower with that leg on the floor. Just really getting into those legs before we finish. Flex that foot as it rises and lowers. If you want to make it a challenge, you're going to take this in your plank position. Up and down. So you're going to be working your core and your legs. Only if it's safe to do so, no elbow or shoulder injuries. Try and stack the hip above the hip, shoulder above the shoulder, and lift that supporting hip. Good. For 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold it, wherever you are. 8, 7, 6, 5. Does it over. 4, 3, 2, 1. Can you bring it in? And out. Nearly done. Yes. 4 more. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Lovely. Up we get safely. Swapping sides. Now, I'm not sure if you'll see me because I'm going to push that. I don't want you to see me from behind because that's unpleasant. Are we ready? Side. Nice, lift and lower. So your harder option on those feet. Easier option coming down, lift and lower. You can do all of this on that knee. You're still going to work your core. Extra hard and that leg. Good, give me 8 more wherever you are, whatever option you picked. Up and down. Breathe. So close now. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it for 8 counts. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Need to finish. Bring it in and extend. In, extend. In, extend. 4 more. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Yes, up you get. Well done, lovely job. Let's take a quick stretch. I'd like you to take a longer stretch. But let's begin with that foot on the chair for me. Flex the foot, take a soften of the knee on your standing leg, and just bring yourself down towards that leg. Pull the tummy in tight. Relaxing forward now. So our supported legs, a softness of the knee, or a full bend, your choice. Reach towards that foot. Lovely job, swap it over. Soften the leg, keep those hips square, and take your bend. Well done, everyone. Wasn't easy, never is. Plenty more, hopefully, to come. Hopefully in class, but if not, on here. Good job. So take your normal squat stretches for me, bringing your heel to your bum, both legs. Take a nice forward roll down as well, bringing your chin to your chest. Relax those arms forward, coming down through your spine. And as you hit the bottom, stretch out through the backs of those legs. And then roll up, soften your knees if you need to, through the spine. Shoulders back and down, and give yourself a little tricep stretch as well to get those calves and work those hard as well. Stretch out, be safe, and hopefully we'll see you again soon.